What's going on, guys? It's Special Juice here, and today we have a 2008 Harley Davidson Sportster 883. This is my personal bike, probably my 9th out of all the bikes that I've ever owned in my life, because I have a buying addiction for cars and bikes, but that's always better than a drug addiction. So today is going to be a very simple video. We are installing a new battery as well as a phone charger, a USB phone charger, to this bike. It should apply to all Sportsters. It's a very simple process. It's a little bit hard to get to the battery, but we'll get to that when we get there. So first thing you're gonna do is remove the seat. Depending on what kind of screw you have, this is a quick release, so I just twist it out. The other ones will actually have a Phillips. To remove the seat, you lift this clamp up, kind of fold the seat like this. And there you go. Lifts out just like that. All right, so after taking the seat off, this little piece here is a little fragile. You basically just pull it off like that. And there's a little lever underneath. You're going to pull out and upward, but it's very, very difficult. So this is the part I hate. There you go. You just pull up as much as you can. Don't be afraid, you're not going to break it. All right, so once you remove that up, this is the clip I was telling you guys about. You sort of lean back, push up, and it comes off. It's very difficult, but don't be afraid. All right, so next thing you're gonna wanna do is take out the fuses. Push back, or maybe that's clipped in now. Yep, so you forward, out. Keep these in the side. Next thing is to remove this down here. All right, so that one is a 10. Alrighty. All right, so once you get that screw out, you're gonna be able to pull this forward and remove this part of the battery holder. Now that we have access to everything here, the next step, and in my opinion the hardest step, is to pull this out and reach the negative terminal without doing it the usual Harley way, which is to disconnect the negative terminal from the bike first, so that way you're able to pull it out. But I don't have the tool to reach down there, as most likely not a lot of people would. This is a 10 too, so we're gonna go ahead and take that out. That thick one at the bottom, fuse last. Well, it's not really important. I'm just very OCD like that. We have new screws for these anyway, so we're gonna throw these out. Let's see if we can reach the negative terminal. Doubt we will. And don't worry, the battery will not shock you. A 12-volt battery cannot shock you unless you connect both terminals while holding the metal piece in your hand. Like if I were to hold a wrench on both ends to the negative and the positive, then it will shock me. But even if I were to hold my fingers on both terminals without any metal in between, it will not shock you. All right, once you have the battery out, this is the old one, by the way. This was made in 2016, so February of 2016 versus March of 2024. So the new battery comes with screws themselves. This didn't have a cover. We probably don't have to worry about the cover either. So we don't even need this. We could take this out. New, old. Here are the screws. What we're gonna do at the same time is install this USB charger. This is a very simple install. The only thing is it's gonna be very tricky because Sportsters are very tricky to work on the batteries. Alrighty, so what I did before I'm gonna put on the battery is hooked up the USB charger. After I wired everything, what I did was ran it through the front here, zip tied it here. I haven't cut any of the zip ties yet. Ran this under, clipped it through here, zip tied it again here, made a little pocket here where everything can sit down and chill. It looks like that's fine right there. So we're gonna connect where we need to connect and get started on the new battery. March 2024. It's beautiful to see. Let's get started. We're going to try our absolute best to install this. We can't give up today. All right, come on.
So here's when I realized there is no way I'm connecting that screw to that battery without disconnecting the whole battery terminal from the frame of the bike. So here we go.
So I couldn't reach it at all. So what you're gonna have to do, what you're gonna have to do is get an 11 millimeter, get an extension. This works. And the bolt is right there. I'm gonna see if I can point it on the video. But you're basically gonna wanna loosen this ground. So that way we can take the, or loosen the negative terminal, because it's impossible to reach. There you go, loosening it now. I'm hitting something now as I'm trying to loosen it up. So we're gonna do it by hand thread it. All right, now that we loosened it and removed it from the terminal, we should have free play here. So let's see how that goes. All right, yep, this comes out. Well, more further out than it did before. Let's see how we can work this out now. Yeah, works a lot better. So this is the screw we're trying to get in. This is also connected to the, there we go. See, now I can reach it now and actually put it in. That's what she said. Boom. That made life easier. Wow. So with Harleys, there's just 20 extra steps, but we could always get it done. Hell yeah, brother. I use this to tighten it. Okay, that's pretty secure. It's not going anywhere. Let's push it in. Come to the other side. And here is the negative terminal. Push it right back in. There we go. Once you tighten that, right through there, go to the other side and finish the rest. Oh, no. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. It fell right in there. Damn, that sucks ass. I don't even know how I'm gonna get that. Maybe if I lean the bike over, but the battery's in. It's not gonna be good. Let's see. Come on, come on, come on. It rolled. It rolled. There we go. It's right there. No, I rolled it back. God damn. We got it. Here we go again. This is crazy. Why did I get a Harley? Ah, shit. At least I only have to do this once. I mean, if my battery ever dies though, I wonder how I'm gonna jump it. Just bump start it. That's what I did the other day. All right, now we're cooking. Cool, we did it. Now all we have left is the positive. Hopefully I don't get shocked. Yow! There we go. We did not get shocked. All right. Oh, shit. That was not good. Let's not do that again. See, that's what you don't want to do, folks. Connect. When I said before it won't shock you, that will shock you, because I just connected positive to negative. Damn it. And I literally welted the case. That's crazy. I guess I'll never forget that. All right, let's see if the battery works. Very good, 12.6 volts. It is working, my friends. It works as well. Awesome. We are good. Plug everything back up. All right, once you put it back in, you just reverse the whole exact process. So let's do that now. Fire it up, see how it sounds. All right, it's back in. Everything's plugged in correctly. Let's see if she cranks. She lives. 14.2. Up, we're good. And there you go. That is how to install a battery on a Sportster. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check you guys in the next video.